Based on say I be correct Nigerian woman, I want make we run today package for pidgin English. Abeg mo na pardon me today, I no wan speak English. I don dey advise guys wey dey around me say make you date a lady wey your hand fit reach. Date a lady wey you go fit handle. Date a lady wey you go fit afford. You people should stop saying women are expensive. Women no dey expensive. Now you carry your hand go carry wetin pass you. Make you imagine now, you dey collect 50k as salary. You wan come date babe wey be say only the week wey dey ahead na 100k. Brother, how you go cope? Sure you see say you don dey do pass yourself. So women no dey expensive. If you can't go borrow money online now just because you want to impress the woman, all those online people go still call the bill say I lost his 9kg. Then brother, I make how make compare our money. In fact, he use you as guarantor. Shame you see sitting down and falling off hand. You don't the forehand be that. So I beg carry waiting you feel hand, waiting you feel afford, no be by force, my brother. Today I will give you tips on how to handle babe on a date, especially even a first date. Please, I would love to always come live. I beg me not try follow me so that I will feel reach the number of followers we go allow me come live. Now, if you want go on dates with babe, I know say some of you na expert for this aspect, but it gets some things what they do we no date too right, we no date too okay, and I don't even realize say those things they wrong. You see, if you dey plan date with a woman, make sure say you plan very well and plan with what you have in your pocket. No go do pass yourself. As I've said before, try date babe wey be say you go fit handle. And part of the planning be say you go plan the place where you go take her to within your hand fit reach. If na amala joint you fit afford, take her go there, she go enjoy am. If na big eatery you fit afford, abeg take her go there, make she enjoy herself. And again, you go plan the transportation wey you go use. All those things need to be in place. May you not come look like food that day. May you not come look like saying you did disappoint the babe. You need to plan your transportation. If you get car, make sure say for a day there well. Make the car dey very, very neat. If na Uber you fit carry, abeg make sure say at least all the app, everything don dey ground. If na keke napep, make sure say at least you no go stress the babe. And if na okada, fine. If na to legal, make sure say you no carry her comot wey sun dey, wey the sun go dey eat her so that her makeup go not wipe off before she get there. So you need to plan yourself before you did. And again, you need to be punctual. It is very important for the man to reach there first than the woman getting there and waiting for you. It is very wrong. If you're taking the babe out on a date, be punctual, get there before time. When she comes and she meets you, it increases your respect to some extent. Now, when you don't choose where you want to go now don't reach there, make sure you're polite in everything you're doing. Normally, if you're using a car, you should open the door for the babe, make she enter. Then you close her. Now, so gentlemen they do. And even before now go enter the eatery, make sure say that you go dey front, open the door for the babe. If security no dey there, so that she go enter. Once she enter on the table, you need to move the chair back so that she go balance well. All those things they trip babe and they make babe know say yes, this man na responsible man. Now, you not sit down now, time to order. Make sure you're polite with the waiters and people that are walking around, because say the impression where you go paint first matters a lot in that aspect. If you start to dey shout, waiter, come here, the people will just there's everything they do this one. So be polite to everybody right around you, because like the way you deal with others, now so you could deal with that. So now so we women they think. Now waiter don't come, make sure say she order first for waiting she want. As I've said, no do pass yourself. Carry her moving hand where your hand feel reach. If she order first, you too you fit come order. Now when in at the shop, there's no need discussing too much, because when we dey grow up, they tell us, say, table manner, don't talk while it's, I think say they teach you not to that kind of thing. So they teach you. So you don't talk while eating. And even if you want discuss, maybe light discussion, not be the one when I would talk. The top so a food would fly across the table. It is not the work like that. And during dating period, avoid close-ended question. What I mean by close-ended question? Question like, what is your name? When she say, okay, this is my name, and that is all. If you want to ask question, make sure you ask question when we say, even after the question, the conversation will continue. For example, which school did you attend and why did you choose to attend that school? Okay, I attended University of so, and this is the reason I chose the university. You know, say with that, you see, say conversation will flow. Now the talk and the talk with the head side will go smoothly. And again, no, they talk about, when it's time for day, no talk about politics, no talk about religion. No be time for prayer with that. No be time to say me at the APC, you be PDP. You know, say that kind of thing, feel bring curry. So, during dates with a lady, avoid anything that has to do with politics and with religion. And again, when at the dates, make sure you're polite. And you, at least, you try to make her feel special. If you say something, maybe say she not comfortable with, it is better you stop. You respect her boundaries. If you're asking her question she's not comfortable with, please stop. Don't insist she has to tell you that. Because first date na first date. Now when the way you do for this dates, lying go tell if next date go come. Do you also know that it is very wrong to dey press your phone during dates? E no good at all. May you and babe dey na dey table, na one chop or na dey gist, you can't dey press phone. Maybe as na dey play that time, you wan come check update. Now that time you can't remember say you dey concentrate for phone. That kind of thing dey very, very disrespectful. In fact, the best thing to do, if to say maybe now weekend you no get important calls we be dey expect, just put your phone on silence, put your phone on the table, and let the conversation flow. The lady go know say yes, you dey concentrate and you dey focus on her. Ladies dey like that kind of thing. When you carry babe comot, make sure you always give her sincere compliment, and make sure the compliment no dey too much, no dey too exaggerated. If you dey overdo am, the babe will suspect you. If now bill don't come and the lady insists say she won't help you pay out of the bill, please respect her decision. Some ladies dey like that. Anywhere they won't go, if they want date guy, they make sure say they get back up. And don't be all ladies. They always depend on man solely. Some of them, they won't help you share. So if time for payments come, she tell you say, let's share the bills. I beg, let her share the bills with you. But if she not say anything, you will pay the bills. That's why I say, may you carry her go where your hand, feet, and toe. And at the end of everything, make sure you ask her questions. Faith, do you enjoy these dates? If she tell you yes, fine. If she tell you just know say she did in between. You know, so now first date now will produce second date. It's very, very bad. Me, they ask babe for sex on a first date, or me try to use hand, they press her anyhow. You want to touch her anyhow just because you carry her comot. It is very, very wrong, and it no good at all. It no creates good impression. That impression be say you just want chop her and you not run. Because anything when you like, you nobody push, you nobody force for sex, especially on first date. I beg, when I go on that first date, when I try gist me, don't forget to follow me so that at least this gist could go back to back. They can take care of yourself. Bye bye.